adobo. Here we have brown rabbit, and here we have onions. And ground ginger, garlic, peppercorns, and bay leaves.
Okay. And what do you have there?
Soy sauce.
Okay.
And 2 different kinds of vinegar.
Good job. And is that your crock pot you're going to be cooking in?
My crock pot that I'm going to be cooking in.
Awesome. All right, well, let's get started.
Okay.
All right, what are you doing? You putting rabbit in the crock pot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good job. Are you putting onions on now?
Mm-hmm. That's it.
More rabbit.
Onions in there.
More rabbit. And throw the rest of the onions on top.
More. You need more.
You can just pick this up and toss it in there.
I don't want to make a mess.
Okay. Okay, you got all the onions in there?
Done. One more.
Okay, very good.
Now add your spices.
And your bay leaves.
Broken.
It's okay, it's a leaf.
Now add your vinegar.
That's rice vinegar. Okay, and that's apple cider vinegar. Alright. Good job. What are you going to do now?
Put soy sauce in.
Awesome.
Now you put the lid on it and put it in your slow cooker. And put it on low.
Put it on low?
Low.
And how long do you let it cook?
6 hours.
6 hours?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. We'll come back and check on it in 6 hours. There's Skyla's rabbit adobo. She just plugged it in. Good job, Sissy. High five. Good job.